Muhammad Jadallah. I am in Salahuddin International School in grade 9 and I am from Egypt.
Okay, my name is Yahya. I'm 15 years old. I study in a British school at Egypt.
My name is Jana Halafawi and I'm from the EIS school.
I've always been passionate about physics, especially nuclear physics, and that was why I wanted to come here to Dubna to see the large machines and accelerators where all these new elements were discovered.
When I saw this opportunity for this physics competition, I actually take a step and try to win this competition.
I was like physics so much, so I tried to participate to have experience.
It was a tough competition and there were about 300 students competing in the competition.
We had the exam. They selected only 50 from this exam, then an interview, and they select 13 from the interviews.
Of course, had to study a lot to be able to pass the written exam.
The most memorable thing, the place that we made electric things in it. I like this field, like the electronics, the experiments. It was very nice.
It's hard to say. We went to a lot of places here, but I'd say going to the accelerators where many new elements were discovered was the most memorable site here.
And the practical sessions were the best.
When we go to the school, people in the school was very friendly. Like being our friends now.
Dubna is a very beautiful city with very nice sunsets.
Dubna's people is very smart and they like getting up very early. They are hard working.
Dubna is very safe and environmentally friendly.
Most of the people are riding bikes, and also it's have a lot of green areas. A lot of green areas have wonderful view.
The sunsets are awesome.
The people here are very nice.
Gives us a positive energy to learn.